This may look like an old school bus, but it's actually a vehicle at the cutting edge of green fuel technology. Its driver, veteran overland traveller and eco-campaigner Andy Pag, is hoping to drive around the world on just chip fat. And here in Istanbul, he's already clocked up 5,000 kilometres since leaving London.
There's two sort of questions that I'm looking to answer. One is, what are people around the world doing about their carbon footprint? And the other is, can I do this journey around the world using less than 2 tonnes of carbon emissions myself?
Why 2 tonnes? That's the amount of annual per capita carbon emissions the G20 nations are hoping to bring current rates down to by 2050. And to achieve his 2-tonne target, the engine of Andy's truck has been converted to run on waste oil from the kitchens of restaurants he finds along the way.
No, but the one from the cooking, when they make the chips. At first they don't really understand what I'm doing. And then when they understand, they're very curious. There's usually a few people stand around and want to see what it's. And then afterwards they start to ask the question, how can I do it with my vehicle as well?
The truck can also run on biofuels, but with their production reliant on the growing of crops which could otherwise be used for food, Andy prefers to fill his tank with waste oil.
And also, if I didn't use that oil, it would rot to methane in a lot of cases. And methane has a more powerful global warming effect than carbon dioxide. So it's arguably it has a kind of positive impact on the total amount of CO2 that's in the atmosphere.
While convinced of his cause, he's less sure about the road ahead. Breakdowns and visa problems may yet prevent Andy from completing his round-the-world trip. But if he does fail, there's sure to be another adventure around the corner as challenging as his last, a trip to Timbuktu powered by waste cocoa butter.